This video is entirely AI generated. From the voice to the visuals, everything you see is crafted seamlessly with technology. Ever wondered how to maximize your channel's potential? The answer lies in strategic automation. By automating video posting, you can maintain a consistent content schedule without the hassle. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and help attract new subscribers. Start by determining your niche. Focus on a specific topic to build a loyal viewer base. Then create a content calendar that outlines what and when you'll post. This organization allows you to remain relevant in your niche. With Autoshots.ai, you can easily set up your channel. Choose how often you want videos to be posted. Select your desired language and voice model, and let the technology do the rest. You'll preview and edit videos before they go live, ensuring quality control. This way, you maintain a personal touch while leveraging automation. Ultimately, engaging content combined with consistent posting is key to channel growth. As you refine your strategy, you'll find that your viewership expands and your channel flourishes, all thanks to intelligent automation.